Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the latest trends and developments in the world of intellectual property rights, or IPR. In today's video, we are focusing on 5 significant IPR developments from India in 2024, and we'll explore a fascinating case study for each to see how these changes are impacting creators, businesses, and the legal landscape. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss any of our updates. Before we jump into the latest news, let's quickly recap what intellectual property rights entail. IPR helps creators and innovators protect their creations, which can include patents, copyrights, trademarks, and more. This protection is crucial for fostering innovation and creativity, ensuring that inventors and artists can reap the benefits of their work. First up, in 2024, the Indian government has ramped up its efforts against counterfeit goods, particularly affecting the textile market. A notable case involved a consortium of local textile manufacturers in Surat, who collaborated with authorities to track and seize counterfeit textile products mimicking their designs. The crackdown led to multiple raids and has helped restore the market share of genuine local producers, highlighting the effectiveness of coordinated legal and police action. Next, India introduced new copyright rules aimed at protecting digital creators, particularly targeting the misuse of content on streaming platforms. An indie filmmaker from Bengaluru won a landmark case against a global streaming giant, which had used parts of her documentary without consent. This case set a precedent for how digital content is protected, ensuring creators are fairly compensated. In a significant move, the Indian government expanded patent exemptions for certain pharmaceuticals, aiming to boost the generic drug industry. A Mumbai-based generic drug manufacturer was able to quickly capitalize on this, launching affordable versions of life-saving drugs previously patented. This case exemplifies the impact of policy on healthcare accessibility and industry growth. 2024 also saw the introduction of AI technology in the trademark registration process. A Hyderabad-based tech startup used this new system to their advantage, reducing the time to register their products from months to just a few weeks. This faster process helps new companies protect their brands more efficiently, showcasing the benefits of technology in IPR management. Finally, India has made a push towards strengthening IPR education within its universities. A case in point is an IP hub established at the Indian Institute of Technology, Delhi, which has significantly increased student awareness and innovation. This initiative has already resulted in several student-led startups securing patents, demonstrating the value of integrating IPR education early in academic careers. Conclusion: these developments show just how dynamic the field of IPR is in India, continually evolving to meet the needs of a modern economy and its innovators. Each case study we discussed today not only highlights the importance of IPR but also the real-world impact of these laws and initiatives. What are your thoughts on these updates? Are there any other IPR topics you'd like us to explore? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video informative, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more insights. Until next time, keep innovating and stay protected.